If you're an e-commerce business owner scaling the numbers, you must have heard about LLCs, and you might be confused about whether you need one for your Shopify store. Well, you're in the right place in this article. We'll discuss in detail what an LLC is and whether you need one for Shopify. How to start an LLC in 7 steps in 2023. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The name of your LLC is the first contact many have with your brand, and you want it to make a good initial impression. Naming your online store may take some time. The perfect name doesn't come to everyone overnight. Sometimes it requires lots of brainstorming and even collaboration. There are also lots of free tools, like Shopify's business name generator, to get your creativity flowing. Once you've landed on a name, check to ensure someone else hasn't claimed it first. Many states have business directories you can search. You'll also want to look outside your state, especially if you plan to sell to a wide audience. Scan Google, social media, and available domain names to see what's out there. Step 2. Choose the state you want to form your LLC in. Choose the state you want to form your LLC in based on your business needs, taxes, and other legal requirements. You don't have to form your LLC in the state you live in. Step 3. Obtain your EIN and check tax requirements. Your Federal Employer Identification Number, EIN, separates your personal identity from your business identity. It acts like your business's Social Security number, SSN, so to speak. In other words, it's a unique numerical combination the government uses to identify your LLC. To get an EIN, go to the IRS website and fill out an application via online form. The process is free, takes under 15 minutes, and is completely online. You'll get your EIN immediately upon completion. You also need to inform yourself of any tax obligations. This includes income tax, sales tax, use tax, value-added tax, VAT, and other potential tariffs. Step 4. Prepare an LLC operating agreement. An LLC operating agreement is a written contract where members of an LLC can define specific responsibilities, compensation, equity, and more. Members of an LLC can customize various terms to be more specific to the needs of the business. Some states require this document when filing your LLC. And even though it's not mandated in every state, it can be helpful, particularly for multi-member LLCs. An operating agreement provides a clear approach to how profits and losses are handled, along with the rights of each member. You can write the operating agreement yourselves or, better yet, start with a template or hire a registered agent service or attorney to do it for you. Step 5. Open a bank account for your LLC. It's easier to keep personal and business finances separate. Separating your finances also provides more protection to your personal assets. You'll need your business information, including your EIN, to open a business bank account. Step 6. File the required paperwork. Depending on the location and nature of your business, you may have to file additional paperwork as part of your articles of organization. Additional LLC formation documents could include permits and business licenses, especially for food-based businesses. Workers' compensation if you're hiring employees. Insurance policies are required to operate legally. Your LLC operating agreement. Step 7. Create and launch a website for your LLC. When you're ready to share your new business with the world, you can launch and promote your online store. We've created an online store launch checklist to help you remember everything from marketing to inventory to fulfillment. Drive traffic to your site to make your first sale, and invest in small business loans to grow your business. Overall, having an LLC for Shopify certainly isn't necessary if you are the sole employee of your business. That being said, having an LLC does make it safer to operate an online store. Having an LLC helps lower your risk in the case that something happens to a customer while they are using one of your products. Not to mention that it makes the process of expansion easier. Therefore, you should definitely look into getting an LLC before you make a Shopify store. In conclusion, creating Shopify Business Store can be a lucrative and satisfying career choice. But it requires careful planning and execution to ensure long-term success. To make sure your business is financially sound, consider hiring a bookkeeper to manage your finances and keep your business on track. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.